Hey, this is Katie Jennings, and I want to do a little tutorial on how you attach casters to the bottom of wooden table legs. For us, I'm so excited to be able to easily move the table so that we can vacuum underneath and we can put out our exercise mats and just be able to use the space a lot more with a lot more versatility than if we just have a huge table stuck in the middle. So here we go. So I ordered this package of casters on Amazon. You can see it comes with the wheel and it has the straight leg right here. And then we have the casing that goes into the wooden part of the leg that then the wheel slots into. So then I've got my drill bit right here. It is marked with how long the little inserts are that go into the wood. I just marked it with tape, and I believe this is a 3/8 inch drill bit. The listing on Amazon said what size to use, but I just kind of experimented. You can see I marked that one and tried that one, and it was too small. So we went with this one. All right, I actually have the smaller drill bit on here because it's different. It's a different kind, and it has like a pointy end, and it's much easier to drill into the wood here. So I'm just gonna eyeball it with the middle, drill it in, kind of do a pre-drill, and then do the bigger drill bit after that. All right, and we're gonna put our bigger drill bit in right here, and then we're gonna there we go. Then we're gonna take this piece and we're just gonna insert it into the hole that we just drilled. Right there, and you see that it fits perfectly. Yay! Then I'm gonna hammer it in. Those metal spikes are gonna go into the wood there and attach. Then you just take the wheel and you put it right like that. Ta-da! All right, I'm gonna do the other wheels and then we'll see how it works. All right, the wheels are in, and I'm just gonna do a quick vacuum of the carpet and all the sawdust, and then we'll flip it over and see how it works. Okay. Yeah.
It's a bit higher now.
All right, you can see here that they all look really good. It moves pretty easily, and ignore the fact that there is a fifth wheel missing. I only got a 4-pack. So keep in mind that when you add casters to your table, that it's gonna raise the height of it about 2 inches. Actually, you can choose the height of the caster. These were 2-inch casters. I think they have like 1 3/8 inch and stuff like that. Anyway, it was super easy. Took me less than 30 minutes to do this. And I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.